Bias tape guide and belt loop folder for CoverPro models. Attach the accessory to the holes on the right front of the machine with the attachment screws. Be sure to match the mark on the attachment with the center needle position on the presser foot. Next, pass the bias tape through the bias tape guide with the folded sides facing down. Slide the bias tape under the presser foot and sew. When attaching the tape to the top of fabric, simply slide the fabric below the attachment. Belt loop folder. Attach the accessory to the two holes on the left side of the machine. Be sure to match the mark on the attachment with the center needle position mark on the presser foot. Cut a strip of fabric tape 1 inch in width and fold back the edge to form a 1/4 inch fold and iron it. Insert the fabric tape created into the belt loop folder with the folded part to the left. Slide the fabric tape to the rear edge of the presser foot and sew. You'll have perfect belt loops every time.